Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from probability. The question is, a dealer has 24 TV sets in his shop. The probability that the dealer will sell at least 20 TV sets during a day is 0.45. At least 20 means what are the numbers we will get? At least means probability to sell at least 20 TV sets, that is 24 to 20, is given by 0.45. So let P of A equals to 0.45. Okay. Next, probability. What is the next step? Probability that he will sell less than or equal to 24 TV sets. Probability to sell less than or equal to 24. What we can take? 24 TV sets less than or equal to means 1 to 24 we can take, right? From 1 to 23 they are less and 24 is equal, so less than or equal to 24 TV sets is given by what? Is given by 0.74. So let I am taking it as event B. P of B equals to 0.74, right? So then find the probability that he will sell 20, 21, 22 or 23 TV sets. So the probability to sell 20, 21, 22, 23 is can be taken as P of A intersection B. From these, here what you will get numbers 24, 23, 22, 21. Yes, here at least 20 means 20, right? In this what you will get 1 to 24, no? 1 to 24. In that again you will have 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, right? From these two, when you will get the required value, when you take the intersection of first one and the second one, then you will get the probability of these three number of TV sets. Okay. So, generalized formula what? P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, this we have to find here. See, in a probability, what we know, one more general thing, sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. So, P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus and so on. The number of probabilities required for the problem, if you add, you will get 1. Okay. Okay. So, by this, what we can say? P of A plus P of B is equals to 1, which can be taken as P of A union B. Right? Here only we are having two events. This is one event, this is second event. So these two you add these two probability events of probability of these events, you will get 1, right? So when you combine these all, when you combine 24 to 20 and 1 to 24, you will get A union B, means total 24 TV sets. That's why here we can take this one as P of A union B. So by this formula, what we can say? P of A intersection B, we have to find this. We have to find A intersection B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So what is P of A? 0.45. 0.45 plus what is P of B? 0.74. 0.74 minus what is P of A union B? 1, which is equals to 1.19 minus 1, which is equals to 0.19. Okay, this is the probability that he can sell 20, 21, 22 or 23 TV sets during the day. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.